I have a duck. He's just like a dog. I'm Marcello, and this is Lupo's story for GeoBeats. We love duck in my family.
Lupo. 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 Hey.
And they're really like dogs.
Hey.
They're really funny animals. My partner and I live in Rome with our 2 cats and 2 ducks.
Ciao a tutti.
Hey! Lupo keeps on his father or his family. His perfect life will be 24 hours a day with us, with me or my partner. The second best things to me or my partner is Cambo. Cambo is the true gentleman. Since day one, Lupo and Cambo were best friends immediately. They are inseparable. They're always together, to the point that if I take Lupo or Cambo away from the other one screams frantically because they just really bonded. They're as intelligent as dogs. As soon as I open the door, I'm like, oh, Daddy's home.
Hello, boys. Hello.
They follow me around in the garden.
Lupo. Cambo. Hey. Lupo. Lupo. Cambo. Lupo. Cambo.
They follow me inside the house.
Lupo. Cambo.
They recognize their name and they come.
Lupo. Hey. Hey. Hello, Cambo.
When I let them out in a lake or in the sea, a lot of people say to me, oh, your duck will never come back. When I call them, they always come back to me, like dogs.
Lupo. Cambo. Hey.
Lupo is a part-time indoor duck and part-time outside duck. During the day, he lives outside in the garden. And at nighttime, he sleeps in the house. At nighttime, we watch television together. It's really imprinted on us and imprinted on the place where he lives. He can fly, but he will never fly away.
Ora. And broccoli.
If he's free in the house, we put him a duck diaper.
Baby.
He's in love with one of our cats as well. So he always chases after one of our cats, which is completely scared of Lupo because he doesn't like to be chased. I love Lupo because he's always there for me.
Hello.
You can't really force a relationship with birds. It's actually the birds that needs to have a relationship with you.
Lupo. Cambo. Hey. Hey. Ciao. Ciao. Ciao, Cambo. Hey, guys. Hey. You're hot. Cambo. Lupo. Ciao da Roma.